Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Myntri Bakmi yakatnat sam Bording ke Sorkar Jela Abu Tahir Mondal haka live hoterik Urisau Arjab Sau lakular ba unsa Bishar penya yakador by Thang Bording Thymmai balapan mi dak Meghalaya State Electricity Regulatory Commission ka jingshim raj ka Meghalaya State Electricity Regulatory Commission kalapan diaw mensiam iki pajba bat kalapan mi iru ya ka jingkan tho bat ka jingkan no baka commission kala thau shiliang ya katarajor ban pendunador ya ki karkhana bat ban khnyat ben ya ki pajba ha ka jing ekran bigala pathai ku bor mondal ule thu baya ka dor labu hi da ka commission bat ongru tat hado bandayo ya ka hukum ka bapura sala ban kan tho ai halor kani.
See, tariff is fixed by State Regulatory Commission. So we'll get the full order, then we'll be in a position to comment on it. Naturally, we have filed petition with them, but it is the power of the commission to give the tariff order. So let all the tariff order comes, we'll look into it. Rest is many other things are included there. There is some tax holidays, something, the rebate is also there. So we are reviewing, even we have filed petition against that one also. So let all these things be settled down, then we will be giving you the clear picture.